Hi, my name is Ashley Mason and I'm starting a restaurant and bakery called AM Delights. I will be the CEO and head chef. AM Delights will be located in Berkeley Springs, West Virginia, about 90 minutes from the DC and Baltimore metro area. Our distribution channels include a booth at the farmers market and a storefront property. We open 7 days a week from 6:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. for breakfast and lunch. Our customers have the choice to use our drive-thru window or they can come in and sit down in our dining room. If the customers do decide to use our drive-thru, the menu items takes the staff 2 minutes or less to prepare. The menu is more extensive and has a wider variety if the customers come in and sit down. The customers can use one of two access points into the building. One is a set of stairs located in the front of the building and the other is a handicap ramp on the right side. For easy delivery, we have a loading dock out back. Our menu will include things like sandwiches, soups, and paninis. From our bakery, we will sell breads, pies, cakes, and pastries. The breads will also be used in making our sandwiches, paninis, and our bread bowls for the soup. Any bakery products we do not sell that day will be sent to the local food pantry. Customers can also come in and special order items from the bakery for their events, weeks or months in advance. Our conference center will also be on the grounds for customers to come in and rent out. We will offer catering to those who do rent our spaces. The first group of people I will be marketing to will be women. Out of the 17,541 people that live in Berkeley Springs, 8,792 are women. Women to this day still do most of the shopping and planning for their family. The next group is school employees. The school system is the top employer in the county with over 400 employees. Most of the school buildings are located close to the downtown, which means they have an easier time getting to the restaurant and bakery. The next group will be students in high school that are seniors. The school averages about 150 students graduating per year. Out of that, 75 gets to leave school for lunch. Most don't leave because other restaurants in the area take too long to make their food. They only get 20 minutes to leave and come back. With us offering a drive-thru window time of 2 minutes or less, we can get the students to come to us. The last group of customers we'll take advantage of our conference center. The first is clubs and organizations in the area. There are over 50 different clubs in the county, with most clubs liking to have a meal during the meetings, and there are only 2 locations that can give that to them, giving us the opportunity to steal them away. The last group will be large businesses in the area, like US Silica that have 160 employees, War Memorial Hospital that have 150 employees, and Citizens National Bank that has 70 employees. If you like this idea, you can contact me at 304-839-6670 or by emailing me at acm757@jw.edu.